Today we are taking a round trip from Westport. We are visiting Foxford Woollen Mills, Downpatrick Head, where we get beautiful views of the sea cliffs and the ocean. And then we ride up to the top of Achill Island to get grand views of County Mayo. Please join me on this wonderful trip. Having ridden up from Galway to Westport, this day was an opportunity to have a rest day for some, or for those of us who just wanted to ride, it was a great opportunity to go and enjoy a day on the bike without having to carry all the luggage. The previous night we had enjoyed a trip to Matt Molloy's, and today was a chance to enjoy a relaxed day. And at the end of the day, we went back to Matt Molloy's to enjoy some more music. It really is a great location, and I would recommend anybody who is in this part of the world to go and visit the pub and go and enjoy some proper traditional Irish music. Foxford Woollen Mills was founded in 1892. It was recently revived and now is transformed into a thriving brand. Notably, this mill is mentioned in two of James Joyce's books, both Ulysses and Finnegan's Wake. Today it operates a visitor centre with a multimedia presentation and tours of the working mill.
We just had a stop back there at the Foxford Woollen Mills and got given a little tour of the and history of the mill. It's I think one of the last fully operational mills in Ireland. Quite interesting, and then had a lovely coffee. So today we're going to go down to Downpatrick Head and Achill Island later on. So we've had some lovely riding so far, a bit of gravel on the roads, a few crazy sheep crossing the road in front of you. But weather's giving us a little bit of moisture right now, but it's been lovely. Ooh, corner. Nice. I will take it forward and you're fine.
Downpatrick Head is a windswept outcrop offering magnificent views of the Atlantic Ocean.
Here they come. What time did you call this then?
I couldn't believe we came to the junction and saw you two going past it.
Oh!
It is recognized as a Wild Atlantic Way signature discovery point. During World War II, Downpatrick Head served as a lookout post, and the stone aerial marker EIRE 64 is still visible, indicating Ireland's neutrality to pilots. Gazing out to sea, one can spot the lone sea stack, named Dún Briste, pardon my pronunciation. It means broken fort. Local legend attributes its formation to St. Patrick, who supposedly struck the ground with his crozier, splitting the headland into the ocean with a pagan chieftain on top, after the chieftain refused to convert to Christianity.
I've got my fuel warning is on, Anthony. Got the fuel just come on. Ooh, am I gonna survive? Yeah, I'm like this, and the fuel level is also flashing. Huh?
I've been crouching behind my screen.
You have? Yeah, I can see.
It's giving me an extra 10 miles.
Yeah, I could see that. Yeah.
If you need petrol, I'm happy to sell it at £10 a litre.
£10 a litre, bargain. So we came here to the top of Achill Island to get a view of the whole of County Mayo. It's beautiful. A few lights flashing, but I should be good enough to get off the island and back to a petrol station. It is a bit chilly up here. Very windy, cold wind. A bit misty. Oh, so beautiful. You know, kind of desolate way. Right, now we have to hypermile it so I don't run out of fuel. So I don't run out of fuel on the way. So I better tuck in behind the screen, huh? Chin down, bum up, or something like that. Best take it easy on the way back to the hotel. So back to Westport. Look at the, you can see the roads from here, see the mountains. Very, very nice. I'll tell you what, Irish sheep are suicidal. Oh, here's the wind blowing in off the Atlantic. Oh, it's very blowy.
Now, the audience is yours. Come on, Dave. Come on, Dave.
Go on, Dave.
You know nothing yet. Right up to it now. It'll be loud for you. It'll be loud for you because you're right here, but it'll be quiet for them. So you should really get over that skin.
Do your best, Dave. Don't worry about it.
Come on, Dave. Give us a 1, 2.
Come on.
It's a land so to rain all the day. Made of side, made of side. Don't be friends. In a wake of an eye, my heart is turning. Hey, your hand. Hey, your hand. Are you going away with no word of farewell? With me not a trace left behind? I could have loved you better, didn't mean to be unkind, for you know that was the last thing on my mind. You have plenty of reason for going. This I know, this I know. But the winds have been steadily blowing. Please don't go. Please don't go. Are you going away with the word of farewell? Would it be not a trace left behind? I could have loved you better, didn't mean to be unkind, for you know that was the last thing on